Hello and welcome to AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can change your profile picture or profile avatar on Suno AI. So let's go ahead and start the video. The first step you want to do is open up any type of browser you have on your PC. The second step is to open Suno.ai. And the third step is to log into your account. After you log into your account, you will see this type of interface. Now, you can see your profile on the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. Just go ahead and click on your profile, and then you can find Edit Profile. Click on it, and you can see the Profile Avatar option. You can upload an image of the extension JPEG, PNG, WEP, PMP, and it should not exceed 10 MB. So you can click on this icon over here, and you can go to your File Explorer and select the photo which you want to keep. If you want to resize the image, you can do that as well. And if you want to drag it and crop it, you can do that as well. After you're done, just go ahead and click on Save, and there you go. This is how easy it is to change your profile avatar or your profile picture on Suno AI. I'm going to teach this process to you once again just to make it clear. Open any type of browser you have on your PC and open Suno.ai. Log into your account, and if you don't have your account, don't you worry, because you can create your Suno AI account using your Discord, your Twitter account, your Facebook account, your Apple account, and your Microsoft account as well. And after you create your account, sign into your account and click on your profile on the bottom left-hand corner. Then click on Edit Profile. So you can see Upload an Image option over here. Click on this icon. Then you can select the image which you want as your profile avatar. If you want to resize your image, you can just go ahead and drag it, and you can just tap on it and drag it from here as well. After you're done, click on Save, and this is how you can change your profile avatar or profile picture on Suno. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.